Buffalo, we're breaking the television because it's no good anymore, so busting the television. TV demolition derby. It's the demolition derby of televisions. Old TV that doesn't work anymore. What was that purple thing?
Nikki?
It's gonna blow glass everywhere.
But it's broken!
Please, just once. Just let me do it once.
You do one.
Oh, she wants to do something.
I want to do it.
Do one.
What am I doing? This part right here?
Easy, yeah. Easy.
Oh my golly.
It's a YouTube video of a broken TV of a redneck.
Yes,
I like breaking.
it's the redneck demolition of the television.
Here we go.
Of the old TV.
Oh, that's... Well, I don't
I just dropped into it.
A bucket for what?
To carry the broken glass.
Mmm.
Watch your step, you got landmines all over the freaking place.
This is a minefield.
Yeah, I know, I've nailed it.
This is a mercy minefield.
I know. Well, anyway,
Well,
I hope
don't
you
worry about
enjoyed
it. I
it.
got most of it on the bottom of my boots.
Oh,
All right, honey.
dear. Okay, I guess I better
Get to
start.
work.
Okay.